How to cancel subscriptions on iPhone. Now, canceling subscriptions on iPhone is actually quite very simple. Now, for this, if you can only cancel on iPhone if you subscribe from iPhone and not from website or anything, but using your Apple ID and so on, right? You'll always find them within your settings. First, open the settings application from your iPhone, and at the very top you can see your Apple ID profile. You want to tap on your Apple ID profile at the very top, and as and when you've done that, there you'll find another option that says subscriptions. So here you'll find it. You just have to go to the subscriptions tab. You'll find all the subscriptions that you have over here based on whether you have got a Telegram, Spotify, or other subscriptions as such. You'll find them, and you'll also find the option to cancel those subscriptions on your iPhone. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.